This time I fear there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear you, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never.
Good morning. Hey. I'm going. Oh. That's. Okay. That's. I am. I'm going now. Na 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 na. I am going out soon. Going to shopping. Do you want to come along with me or not? Oh my gosh, the sun is killing me so much. My life. Hi. Good morning. I came to live with no preparations, but this is me on 2022. Let's see what I'm wearing. Hey, today is, I think it is Sunday, isn't it? Now I become a bit slimmer now after Christmas. After Christmas party season ends. Hi Makidia. After the party season ends, I become really slim now. So we gain weight when we have a party, and we become lose weight after finish all the party. So I came here today with no filter, just a normal face, and I don't really wear any eye makeup because I never wear the eye makeup because I don't want to touch my eyes so much, because I need to use my eye a lot. So normally, hi, thank you very much for giving me so many love. Big hug Thank you. Let me show the outside weather. Look at this. Today we are going out. My husband is cooking at the downstairs. And hi. And I'm just coming to live. Just for fun. For fun and quite just a quick update for some of my family and friends. We have a office at the downstairs, isn't it? But sometimes I would like to use very quick quick checking the email or some kinds of project to easy to do at the first floor. So I came here, and this is called, I would say, a standing desk, isn't it? Because it's not good to sit for so long. So I put my Mac in here for just for standing sometimes. Morning I came here for doing some, and here, have a look. I got two iPads, very beautiful. One is a big one that is from my dad. I took his iPad. Some of you who follow me for a long time, they know that this is my dad iPad and this is mine. And I put in the same cover, so they look like a family, isn't it? I'll show you. They look like a family member. Hey, that is so sweet and cute. Normally every morning when I wake up, I always listen the news, listening the BBC news when I'm taking shower, getting ready. And if one of the iPad battery is die, I use the second small tiny one for in exchange for the time to charge the battery. So here I charge my battery, and you can see outside the weather is 16 degrees Celsius and inside is 21 degrees. So today is outside is actually it's quite hot today. You can see that. We can see a sun. Yesterday was snowing, a few snow outside. Today the weather is good. So that is my standing iPad, standing office, I would say, because as I said before, these days when I walk, I don't sit anymore because I don't want to bang my shoulder. So I walk by standing. And as well as this year, 2022 is a no buying year for me. No buying year. No buying year meaning I don't buy anything. That's gonna be a controversy because sometimes I promote for my online shopping, but for myself, I don't buy a single thing for this year, 2022. I don't buy anything because I don't want to, like, when you grow old, you will understand what I mean. We want to have I would say, to become I would say, what should I say, to have a nice life, you don't want the clutter. You don't really want the mess in your house, isn't it? So for me, since like when I turn to 40 years old, I have called mindful purchase. Mindful purchase me, hey, here, look at this, me, I'm sitting and talking nonsense, but anyway. Mindful purchase means we don't buy anything unnecessary. So you can see, I'll show you my house completely clear, clean and clear. That is what we bought like a previous, but not after 40 years. So that is, I would say, I do have quite lots of designer items, but I bought before age of 40, but after 40, I don't buy it anymore. So this room, that's it. I don't bring anything unnecessary, anything to my home anymore. You can see this room, we're gonna keep it for guest room, baby room if I have a baby. But you can see this room also quite clear. Wow, quite clear, nothing, I don't put anything. And I'll show you my bedroom, and here you can see my bedroom. We got a big TV and okay, completely clean and clear. I don't put anything unnecessary to my room. So have a look. Wow, wow, outside is so much sunny. Ooh. Such a nice weather today. That's it, you can see that we don't have much stuff at all. That is the this stair for the top, going to the roof sometime. I like to go to the loft, so you can see my house is clean. We don't buy anything unnecessary. As well as, although I'm on Facebook, I don't really use Facebook. That's gonna be another controversy. Hey, Nin, she doesn't use a Facebook. People won't believe it. Actually, I don't really use a Facebook. It is indeed. I just post whatever I like to post on my wall, and then that's it. I get back to work. I don't really browse. I don't really want to know who is doing what or which lady is wearing what designer style. I don't really give a shit. Actually, is normally I would say I am very very much what should I say? Gonna be a bad word. Gonna be a bad word. Self-centered person. That's gonna be such a bad word. That normally is I'm not interested in anybody. So even the Facebook, I'm a social media minimalism. I use only to post and to do whatever I like to do. Okay, bye. Thanks. Gonna make you headish for this morning. Bye. Finish.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Can't do Zara. No shopping. Just a window shopping. Okay, let's go.